Hi guys, today I'm showing you this little Cricut joy that my dad got. For any of those of you who don't really know what a Cricut is, it's like a little sticker maker. After taking it out of the box, I had to remove the plastic seal around the entire Cricut. This is the smaller Cricut. I'm pretty sure this is the smallest. They have much bigger ones as well if you're like more industrial sticker maker. So when you open it up, you can see in here, it kind of looks like a little printer. The little piece in the front here that just popped open is how you remove the blade. So what happens is you feed the sticker sheet into the Cricut, and then the blade will cut out the shape of the sticker. You have to connect it to your phone or computer in order to get the sticker sheet out, and then the Cricut will take that and print out the sticker. The Cricut did come with a little piece of sample sticker sheet. It's a nice shiny silver color. It is also listed in the instructions here that the blade is sharp, don't touch it, etc., danger. After installing the Cricut app and getting the Cricut connected to my phone, I was all ready to print out my very first sticker. I'm not sure if you need a subscription or what, but I wasn't able to really access much else than the sample stickers. So for the sake of this video, I just went ahead and printed out the flower design. And here's the sticker all printed out. I have to say I kind of regretted doing this one later because it was kind of hard to get it off of the sheet. Apparently they have this tape stuff that is designed to take these types of stickers off easier. I just didn't know about it. Apparently we had some already. But hey, at least I got my experience taking stickers off of sheets. Other than my ability to apply stickers to paper, I think that the Cricut worked amazing, and I'm definitely going to use it more in the future. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out my other videos.